if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being.
This is the hearing. Hi guys. Hi guys, how you doing? Yo fam. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, welcome back to another scene. Today I'm actually dressed and prepared for a video, a pre-recorded video for my other channel. My other channel, just call me Sisi Ade. So I'm actually preparing. I wanted to show you guys, but since it's I want to show you guys how I arrange the whole thing. But since it's my first time on studio, first time doing this, not actually first time, probably third time. So please don't forget to go to the channel and watch this video. Okay, so yeah, let me just go into it. I'll see you guys.
2,000 years later.
Hi sweet people, so in this video I was showing you guys I wanted to start another jewelry. So I wanted to make a pendant, but I wasn't able to make because I had to go out that day, and after that day the flower dried up, even though I can still use it, but I couldn't. So I decided to share with you guys how I fix my earrings. Though I'll make another video and show you guys how I make the jewelry from scratch, okay, from the beginning. Okay, so that will be in another video, not now. Although if I have requests for it, immediately I'll start working on it and I'll show you guys. But for now, in another video I will show you guys how I make this from scratch. But for now, just watch how I fix it up with the hooks.
So guys, I was able to make this in this manner. It's too big hooks, too big chain. So but these, I was able to make this in this manner. One big, one medium, and one small. And I was successfully behind the camera. So I decided, okay, if I'm having little difficulties with the small one, let me just use two big ones. And it came out nice. I was able to fix this. This initial is called World Best. World Best woman, World Best baby. So I made two different times. Yeah, World Best, World Best. So yeah, actually in the right sense, this should be down and this should be up. So that's why I didn't really deliver this. The one I made, I already delivered it to the owner. Okay, so yeah, this is all about my resin or my jewelry. I make jewelry myself at home for my own personal use. So let me just show you a quick one of how it looks. Okay, but this is not how it looks. But I'll show you how it looks on me later, or probably after this, at the end of the video. Okay, there's no flashlight. So yeah, this is how it looks in the actual sense. Yeah, this is how it looks. So let me just show you some of the things I used to make this. So yeah, this is the one I made. This is the jewelry, the herring hooks and the herring hooks and yeah, the herring hook and jewelry hooks are all here. The fish, just like the fish shaped hooks. Let me have the light so that we can see. So this is it, and I also have this shiny thing for mixing. I have this for just for the resin inside. I have this stored herrings make, like I make this for stored, so I need to get the back herring to fix this, like to make one. The one I made, I already put it inside. So yeah, I already put inside the container. I'll show you guys now. I have so many resin molds for crafting. Yeah, Adejuni is all about making craft, learning. Check the one I made with this, like the ones I made for practice, the one I made earlier. So these are the tiny ones for probably you want to use for design on your ring shape, or want to make something tiny with hooks, earring hooks, or key holders, or you know. Yeah, I'm still going to buy more. I have a lot to buy. I have a lot on my list to get to buy and show you, share with you guys. So I'm still learning and practicing on my own. So yeah, the ones I already made, I made mistake with. I made this one and you mix skinny dada, and it has so many bubbles. You can see that the one inside is not clear and it has a kind of puffy shape here, like the thing did not go inside well. Okay, so I made mistake. This can be used for something else though. I can actually paint this and make it and use it for pendant or anything. But yeah, this was a fail when it comes to I want the camera to focus when it comes to racing. When it comes to pendant making, this also a fail. When it comes to key holder making or pendant, for pendant, this is a fail, a huge one. It has some very sharp sides, and if I had known, I would have scraped this off or level this very well so that I don't have anyone hanging above it or beside it when I was making it. So yeah, that was a fail also. So yeah, I also make this is also a pendant. I can use it as a key holder, so we just have jewelry go inside. I can also make rings also, but yeah, I'm still practicing just like I claimed. So I also have a stored stored shape, or let me say tiny shape of mold resin mold inside. Yes, the one I made is inside just for design or just for yeah, but it didn't come out well because there was too much bubbles in it. And probably I have to explain later what this entails for anyone that wants to practice or do this. I'll probably explain later, but I am still practicing how to make this. Yeah, so that's all about resin jewelry making. So yeah, I won't really show us all because I'm still in the process of learning, so I don't want to give too much information, isn't ideal. So let's take it one step at a time. Okay, so yeah, that's all for now. Thank you. So yeah, let me just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, this is all for now. I think I've shown you this jewelry, this earring in one of my video, this especially. So yeah, thank you. So let me just show you how this looks on me. Yeah, this is the plier. Naturally, I don't need one, I need more than one plier. You can see how I was struggling, so I have to order a kind of the twister, the one that will hold any size of jewelry, so that I won't be having problem with my fingers. Look at, it was about to ruin my finger, so I don't want too much information. I will try to explain everything to you guys in another video.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is the earring, guys. This is the earring. This is the earring. Okay, so yeah, this is the earring. Type. I want to do this third one. I want to do so many things with this craft. I want to do so many things with it. I'm going to make more for my daughter also. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to sub, like, comment, share, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.